how when you're in love, you just have that natural glow, it just comes from within? Well, it's because you're feeling loved and nurtured and cared for. That's exactly what True Botanicals skincare does for your skin. It loves it, it cares for it, and it gives you that natural glow. Let me show you. I'm Rachel Lindsay, and I want you guys to get unready with me. My skincare routine is all True Botanical skincare products. And the first step is using this ginger turmeric cleansing balm. You guys, it smells so good. But it works even better. And what this does is it breaks down all that heavy makeup that you may have on. I know for me, I have to be on camera every day, so I'm always constantly wearing heavy makeup. So it breaks it down, but it doesn't rob your skin of moisture. Okay, so I just finished washing my face, and the next thing I'm going to use is the nutrient mist. Now I'm going to spray this all over my face, and it's going to help absorb all the products that I'm going to put in. You know, very similar to a sponge. You know, when a sponge is dry, it can't absorb anything, but when it's wet, it takes everything in, and that's what I'm about to do to my face. Oh my gosh, you guys, not only does this feel good, it smells so good. It's like aromatherapy. I'm giving myself a spa treatment here. So the next step, you gotta have a good serum. I love the Chabula Active Immunity Serum. This serum is absolutely amazing because it has the most powerful antioxidant, and that's Chabula. Next, I like to supercharge my serum with a vitamin C booster. Now this comes in the most potent and powerful form because it comes in a powder formula. So you can pretty much add this to any water-based product. Your essence, your moisturizer. I like to add mine to my Chabula. I just rub it in really good and gently press it on my face like this. Now I gotta tell you guys how great this feels. It is light, it's absorbing into my skin, it smells good, and I've got that natural glow. Next up is the Pure Radiance Oil. This is the only moisturizer you need. Now I love a good face oil. I've been using face oil for years, but this one, it hits different. And the reason is it has small molecule seed oils. I just put a few drops in my hand like that, and those small molecule seed oils I talked about absorbs right into my skin. And the last step is the Resurrection Radiance Eye Cream. This, you guys, is a miracle worker. I just put it on my fingers like this, rub it in between, pat under the eye, really hits those dark spots, makes me look and feel refreshed, like I had a full night's sleep. And that's it, you guys. True Botanicals gives my skin a loving treatment and only the purest ingredients. And that's why my skin glows.